Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing the best side hustles. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. When not in use, rent out your car. If you own a car that is rarely used, you might be able to earn extra cash by renting it out. You may list your vehicle for hire in a few cities using apps like Turo, HyreCar, and Hagerty DriveShare. Consider these services as being similar to Airbnb but for your vehicle. According to corporate growth consultant Daniel Veiga, every time we would travel, we would pick a rental vehicle category and not get the automobile we wanted. Instead, we switched to using Turo. Veiga relished his encounter as a client. He made the decision to offer some of his family's 5 cars on Turo because his household manages them. The extra cash was so valuable that Bruce and his family acquired 6 additional vehicles and listed them. In April 2022, they earned $6,339, or more than $600 per car each month. One of your finest options for a side business if you don't need to use your car all the time is to rent it out. 2. Provide coaching or consulting services to people online. According to data reporting company Statista, the online training and education market will be worth $250 billion in 2022. You might make big money as a side hustle coaching or consulting individuals online if you have knowledge and/or experience in a particular field. What's intriguing, according to CEO Meredith Mustafajulok, is that you can use the abilities you currently possess to coach others. With the help of her experience, Mustafajulok created a new revenue stream for the company called Borrow My CEO, which brings in between $30,000 and $40,000 a year. You can share your knowledge and experiences or get certified, she explains. If you like solving problems and interacting with others, online tutoring can be fantastic. Running a side business as an online coach requires no expense, and you can charge by the hour or the month to generate regular income. 3. Invest in real estate to establish a new source of passive income. A hot housing market is the outcome of a lack of inventory and rising material costs. Real estate investing is one of the best side businesses when you're short on time, even though mortgage rates are more variable than usual. According to Amanda Hammett, a leadership development consultant who started investing in real estate as a side business, "My husband and I have talked about investing in real estate since we were married 20 years ago, but we never did." She claims, "We never had the mental room. All of a sudden, I lost my job as a public speaker. I focused my real estate research in 2020 on a specific area where we plan to purchase investment properties." Hammett currently owns 32 properties that bring in a combined $50,000 a year, with all the tax write-offs. Buying individual properties or joining a real estate investment group are both viable options for real estate investing. It may be a side business that generates good income, while Amanda Hammett, a leadership development specialist who began investing in real estate as a side business, said that she and her husband have discussed doing so since they were wed 20 years ago but have never actually taken the plunge. "We simply never had the mental room," she claims. "All of a sudden, my career as a public speaker was over. 2020 was dedicated to my real estate research, during which I honed in on the area where we plan to purchase investment houses." Hammett currently owns 32 properties, which together bring in $50,000 a year, with all the tax deductions. You can invest in real estate by buying individual properties or by joining a group that does so. It might be a lucrative side business that doesn't take up all of your free time, but it's crucial to understand your finances before starting. Offer personal services that cannot be automated in person. Local businesses are a tried and true form of side income. If you have spare time, think about using it to earn extra money and raise your monthly income as a whole. Consider the care of pets. According to statistics from the data analysis firm Grand View Research, pet sitting is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Simple-to-use applications like Rover and Wag allow you to register as a pet care provider, conduct on-demand dog walking services, and start making money. According to Gemila Bianai, a creative, I started dog sitting 6 months ago using Rover. I made a few $100s more the first month and soon reached $1,000 to $1,500 more each month. Bianai currently anticipates that this side business will bring in $36,000 this year. I'm making reservations a month in advance, and that fits in well with how I live now. There may be more time flexibility at home when working remotely. Consider animal sitting or other in-person services as a fun side business that can help you make money if you have extra time on your hands. Create a YouTube channel. Number 5. A side business idea that has the potential to give you extra monthly revenue on social media is starting a YouTube channel. You can create and release movies that instruct people on a variety of blog about life, make reaction videos, or write about a certain subject. Dilworth, the aforementioned flight attendant, claims that 60% of the income on his YouTube channel, which brings in about $3,000 per month, comes from affiliate links in his films. The remaining 40% is made up of a mix of paid collaborations, requests for personal training, and AdSense, a program sponsored by YouTube that gives creators a percentage of the ads that appear on their channels. Dilworth claims that YouTube has aided in his customer acquisition and startup of his internet business. If having a creative outlet appeals to you, think about producing video and sharing it on websites like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to build a following and eventually seek additional revenue streams. Online platforms can be a terrific method to earn additional income. 6. Use Airbnb to make money from your home, or even just one room. Consider offering your home or extra room on Airbnb if you appreciate the concept of real estate investing, but don't want your property to be leased out for years on end. Millions of customers reserve Airbnbs as a substitute for hotels. As a full-time traveler, I've reserved more than 150 Airbnbs in 40 different countries. Additionally, listing a full property is not necessary for your side business to succeed on Airbnb. A lot of people decide to advertise a section of their house or even just a single spare room, according to business consultant Michael Mosial. Mosial's side business of listing homes on Airbnb brings in roughly $10,000 each month. According to him, a house, a portion of a property, or even a room can be listed on Airbnb. You might be able to start a side business in the area you already occupy. If you want to maintain a connection to a region of the world that holds a special importance for you, Airbnb can be a fantastic choice. 7. Onlinely market a physical good. Every day, millions of individuals make purchases from their preferred retailer, a small business on social media, or an internet store like Amazon. The U.S. Census Bureau estimates that e-commerce sales will reach $870.8 billion in 2021. Consider creating and selling the product you wish you had if you have a love for a certain sector of the economy, or want to find a solution to a certain issue. Create a website for your internet store so you can start selling and earn extra money each month. Your goods don't need to be brand new. A side business that not only increases your income but also declutters your home is listing gently used items on social media, eBay, or Facebook marketplace groups. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.